Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be trying to do a squishy makeover with my friend, which is doing very good right now. And I just redid it because literally like 3 minutes of just making the color. So I said, let's just do the intro again and just already have the color made. So I have these three I'm gonna make over, and I'm just gonna start with the monkey first. Yeah, my hands are already dirty because I've already started. But, try not to get my hands in it.
Look how good and smooth that is right now. I'm proud.
She's doing really good, guys.
That took forever.
Just look at that, guys. It's like, she's doing really good.
I'm really proud of myself.
Okay. Now, besides that, let's get on to the video.
So wait for that to dry.
Now, first, I'm trying to make a brown, which is turning into like a swamp green, but we're getting there, guys. We're getting there.
Okay, guys, so she just restarted her video because, yeah.
So before we do that, let's just take this thing out.
Really smooth. I'm so proud of how smooth.
Oh my gosh,
that
guys, look at that. Wait, focus.
But
Look at that. Just look at that. Just.
by the way, guys, I have like a plastic thing underneath this, so I won't ruin my desk. If you're wondering, but it's so smooth and nice.
Oh my gosh, what that? Oh my gosh.
Just look
Look at that. Look how big the hole is. Ew.
Look at our hands.
I know, right?
How do people do that? Oh gosh, yours.
I know, but look at that. Look what was in there.
Bruh. Oh yeah, I have that too.
Like, look at that. That was just all in
This
there.
is mine.
Like,
Also,
hey guys, like. What? Okay, yeah, let's do that.
yeah. Oh wait.
Let's just get my color done. Like, just get that brown and yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm back and I washed my hands. Yeah, just zoom that out. I washed my hands a little bit. Okay, I washed my hands a little bit, but they're still dirty. And I finally got my cone color. So now, like, I can, okay, this is, like, behind the scenes, guys. Okay, well, we are just going to keep going. Yeah, act like none of this happened. I got stuff on my phone. Whoops. Whoops. There. Okay, now, finally, let's just get this thing on. Now, what my idea was, I was going to, I don't know if I can do it now, but I'm just going to try it. I was trying to just get all the other layer in, and then, like, paint the little lines like a rainbow. But I don't know if that worked, so maybe I'll just, like, go in with, like, a pink or purple or something. And this lighting right now is not the best. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. Like, just load all that on there. Actually, I should have glued it together first. You know what? You know what? Just gonna do this. Like, I'm gonna make my life easier.
By doing what?
This.
Huh? Oh. Easy life hacks with Rayleigh. Yes.
Not that bad. Here's my little first layer. Wow, that actually did work. Now I just gotta make some more. Okay, guys, that's my first layer. Let's just paint the next layer when it's dry. So while the other's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and get the next one. Okay, I got it on me again. So let's just keep this right there. How poopy, and then I put it in the paint. Okay, yes. Oh yeah, let's close that. Okay, next is my bottle. And yeah, let's just go ahead and rip this. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. I'm sorry. You have to go through all this pain. Look at that. I don't get why they put it in so deep. Those poor squishies. Well, now it's just a bottle. A squishy bottle that you don't really drink out of. Yeah.
That would be so cute if it's like pink.
It's pink. It's going to be baby pink and like blue.
Oh, that would be so cute.
Yeah, I'm like really
this,
excited.
This light blue?
Yeah,
And
but
then,
lighter. Ooh,
and
yeah.
then like this and this combined.
I love the colors. Ooh,
Yes.
Okay.
I just can't get over the fact how smooth.
Yay, it actually will stay up. Okay, let's just squeeze.
I got an all-nighter.
Maybe.
Yeah, but I'm tired, but like
I'm not tired at all because I haven't took my medicine.
like I'm tired, but I'm not tired.
Literally, I literally told you if I don't take my medicine, I will stay up all night. But I will be really tired the next morning.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. We're just going to coat a big layer on and then smooth it out on the next layer.
This is boring. When you have nothing to do. Should I do another coat of the red since it's like about red, I guess?
Yeah.
Oh, I wish that pineapple was red. I'm really excited for mine to turn out. I think they're going to be really cute. I don't really know what you're going to do, so I don't know what's going to look out. What it's going to look like, so...
Me neither, to be honest. I don't really... I'm just doing it as I go.
But since I know what SpongeBob and them look like.
That's the thinnest layer
I
ever.
don't really like SpongeBob, but...
Gotta let that dry. Okay, next, I'm doing my, while it's, drying, it's just on the top, so I said, like, I can just go and do another part. What I'm planning on doing is this is gonna be, baby pink and baby, yellow, like a pastel yellow, because, like, the baby yellow isn't really a thing. Baby blue, and it's gonna be on the top, and then, a baby pink, and then a pastel blue will be on the bottom. And then that's what this, the monkey, I'm just doing it as I go. It's not going to look that good, but I don't know, it's just, it's a little update. To be honest, I'm just going to go ahead and get that done while it's at it.
I'm just going to, this is what mine looks like so far. The tail is a little clumpy, but this is like about dry enough to do another coat because, you know, I'm bored. So I'm letting the other two dry.
Okay, there, done. Now, after I do that, I usually just smooth it out with my fingers because it's the smoothest thing I have.
Yeah, right.
The tool I
You can
have.
also use paintbrushes if you want.
Sorry about that.
I think this would probably be easier.
Okay. Did you really just think that was a blue? Well, you were wrong. There's white under it.
Don't judge a book by a cover.
That's funny. That looks like a boy bottle, but then we're gonna add pink at the bottom.
Yeah.
And it'll look really pretty.
Like pink in the dots, in the spots.
Yeah. Or I could do a different design.
Oh yeah.
I'm already loving how this is turning out. I'm not even close to done yet. And I don't want to like get in the white and then that'll be.
I love the color. Oh, it's on frame. Yeah, let me zoom it out so you have a lot of space. Don't mind this area. This is the only way we could get it. So.
Oh my gosh! Look! Oh my god!
It's so cute.
It's gonna be like really hard to get the inside, as you see, cause like I don't want to mess up the white.
Mine are all still drying, so I might as well just work.
Sorry guys, it's like I'm trying not to mess up, cause like I have to have it in the view I need. So
I'm just gonna put it slide. I'm bored.
I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, there you go. That's it so far. I have to smoothen it out now somehow. Okay, so I just smoothed it out with my finger, and now it looks like this. So now I'm just gonna let that dry.